Guys, welcome back to the channel. And right now we got Apollo the Great doing another unboxing. Come on, go ahead, Polito, go. He's a professional package opener. Look at me, Apollo, when you do this work. Look at me. Look at me. There you go. Get the tape. Get the tape. All right. Hey. You're gonna get your snacks later. Really? You're doing all the tape for what? Just open the box. Yo, Apollo, you're playing. You're playing. Destroy it! There you go. He's getting faster and faster. Open the box. A bonus. Another bonus. Yay. What else is in there? Ooh, another bonus. All right. All right. And there we got it. There we have it. There we have it. All right, that's all right. All right, thank you. All right. You did good. Thank you. Your job is done here, sir. Your job is done here, sir. He wants everything out. He's not playing. Like, professional package opener. Okay, thank you. Give me the antenna. All right. Thank you. All right. Yay!